In this video, I'll show you how to install Waka TV on your Samsung Smart TV. Now, the first thing you need to know is that Waka TV does not officially support Samsung Tizen OS, so it won't appear in the Samsung App Store. But don't worry, there's still a way to get it working. The easiest method is by using a USB drive. Step 1. On your computer, go to mobile.wakatv.net to download the latest Waka TV APK file. Make sure you're downloading from the official source. Step 2. Once downloaded, copy the APK file to a USB drive. Step 3. Plug the USB drive into your Samsung Smart TV. Step 4. On your TV, go to Settings, find the Security or General section and enable Install Unknown Apps or Unknown Sources. Step 5. Open the File Manager on your TV, navigate to the USB drive, and locate the APK file. Select it and follow the on-screen prompts to install. Step 6. Once installed, find Waka TV in your apps list. Open it, then sign in or create a free account at playwakatv.com. And that's it! You'll have access to over 80,000 movies and series and 280 plus live channels including sports, news, and entertainment. Note: Waka TV offers a 7-day free trial, so you can test it before subscribing. If this video helped you, please leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.